So here we are going to create a track. I'm going to create a track. So I've plugged in my microphone. All right. So this thing you are seeing here is my microphone setup. All right. So the name of my mic is Hair Audio. All right. So I'll just leave all of this setting like this. I'll click OK. All right. So I'll come to File. Yesterday I talked about this. I'll come to File, come to New. Then you create a multi-track section. So you give your project a name. All right. So I'll call this project audio recording and editing class. Okay. Yesterday I said when you are saving your project, know where you are saving it to. So all of this is fine. I'm going to click OK. All right. So you can see now we have our multi-track. So I'm going to record a voice now. I'm going to do my recording. So if you want to record, you see these three. One is M, this is mute, one is X, which is solo, and one is R, which is record. So I'm going to click on it. So this will enable you. You will see that we have two blue lines now, right? This means, green. Yes, green line. So this means my microphone is working. So if I start recording now, my voice will come into the software. So this shows that my microphone is working. If you put your mic and you don't see this sign, it means the microphone is nowhere connected. So you have to check that, all right? Then you come to this place. You see a red dot here. This red dot means if you click on it, you start recording. Okay, so I'm going to do a short recording. That record, I'm going to intentionally make some mistakes so that when we are editing it, we're going to cut out those parts that are unwanted in the audio. So I'm going to click now. All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Etameta. I'll be your tutor for this class. Sorry. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that. So you can see that I'm recording my voice now. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just succeeded recording myself. So what we have here is what I just recorded. Now let's play it to hear what I just recorded. All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Etameta. I'll be your tutor for this class. Sorry. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that. So you can see that I'm recording my voice now. All right. So that is what we just recorded now. Okay. But what you see that there is a place I coughed.
Yeah, exactly.
So in a normal recording, so that is not supposed to be part of it. All right.
You're not supposed to be there.
Exactly. So what we are going to do now, we are going to edit. So I'm going to edit the audio and remove that part where I coughed because I don't want it in my audio. So to do that, so you unlock after recording. Okay, make sure you click on this, uncheck it. All right. So we are going to edit the audio. So I'm going to edit it now. So I'm going to remove the places I don't want. So I'm going to play it. Yes, sir. All right. Yes, sir. If you notice, your voice came into my recording, so I don't want it. I don't want that. So I'm going to click and drag it. It will change to white. So I'm going to remove that part. There's two ways you remove it. You press a delete button on your keyboard, or you come to this place. You come and reduce the volume. So reduce the volume. So I just removed that part now. Or you can also delete from your keyboard. All right.
Okay.
I don't want to delete it because from this place it's very close. I don't want to delete it. However, I'll be able to remove that part where your voice came into my recording. All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Etameta. I'll be your tutor for this class. Sorry. So you see, I coughed here and I don't want this also. I'll still select it and remove. All right. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that. So you can see that I'm recording my voice now. All right? Okay, I still don't want all these parts. So I don't want all these parts. So I remove them. Okay. This is a noise. This thing you are seeing here is a noise. So I'm going to reduce the volume entirely. Right. Now let's play what you have now. All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Etameta. I'll be your tutor for this class. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that. So you can see we've succeeded in dictating our audio. Yeah. Do you understand now? So yes, we've edited our audio. So the next thing we want to do is to add music. So I want music to be playing or something to call me where my voice is also speaking. All right. Look at this place. Yes, at the background, exactly. So you see what we call waveform. I will see multi-track. So we are going to go back to multi-track. So I'll click this. So this is also what we recorded. All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Etameta. I'll be your tutor for this class. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that. Good. So, but you see, this part is empty. This part is empty. So I don't want this side. So what I will do is that I'll put my mouse. You see that the sign has changed, right? So I will drag it. Drag, and that will just be fine. So I have my audio now. Now I'm going to bring in a music. I'll go to my desktop. I'll go to where my sound is. Okay. So I'm going to preview the sound I want to bring in. So I want to bring it this. I'll bring it to my project. I'll take it to the file. Okay. So now what I will do, I will drag it into the project. So I'll drag. So let's hear what we have. All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Etameta. I'll be your tutor for this class. So you can see, I want to remove this a little. Let that sound come in first. So I want the sound to come in, then my voice will come in later as a form of like introduction. The sound comes in first as an introduction, then my voice. All right, let's go. Drag this a little here. Good. All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Etameta. I'll be your tutor for this class. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that. So you see, but my voice is still speaking, and there is
the audio has finished.
Yes, the audio has finished. Now what do? It's either I bring in another audio or I can just duplicate this. Okay. But I don't want to duplicate this. Yes, okay. You have a question?
No. Go ahead.
Okay. So it's either I duplicate this. If I want to duplicate, what I just do is I will click on it. I will do copy and paste. That's Command C and Command V. You see, it has become 2. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
So what I have here is what I have here. But I don't want it because it will not really make learning experience. I promise you that. You see, it will not make sense. So what I will do is that I'm going to bring in an audio to feed that place. Let me see a very good audio. Okay, so I'm going to take this one. Let me take that. I think this one is okay. So I'll drag it, also drag and drop it. All right. Good. So I'm going to bring it somewhere here. All right. So let's listen. All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Etameta. I'll be your tutor for this class. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that. You see, this one wasn't playing because I didn't solo it. I didn't press this. So I'm going to click this now so that it can play. Learning experience. I promise you that. All right.
Wow.
So, but if you can see, so this part, what are we going to do? We are going to cut it.
Reduce
We are
it.
going to reduce it. So I'm going to reduce it. What I did earlier, I'm just going to reduce this. I want to reduce the volume of this one, this track 2, so that it will not overshadow my
Your own
voice.
voice.
Exactly. Okay. So if you look at this circle, looks like circle here, you can see volume. All right. So I'm going to play it and reduce it so you understand what is going on in the background. All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Etameta. I'll be your tutor for this class. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that.
Wow.
Okay.
What a wonderful sound.
Thank you. So I'm going to fade this out. Just fade it out.
Okay, the last one, right?
Yes, the last one. I'm going to fade it out so that the music can end well. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that. So you can see it faded out. It wasn't sharp. It just faded out. All right. So now, the last thing we are going to do in this class, before we continue, I want to ask a question. So first of all, what we did a voice recording.
Yes.
All right. Then in that voice, there were unwanted voices that were in that audio.
There is a little distort.
Exactly. So we cut out those parts. So that is called audio editing. The first step was audio recording. The second step is audio editing.
Editing.
Yes. So what we are doing now is audio mixing. All right. We are trying to mix different tracks to make a single track.
Okay.
Yes. So before we continue, I just want to, if you have any question before we go to the next step, is there any question?
No. I've understood this tutorial.
Okay, good. All right. So now I want my voice to sound a little bit better, okay, by adding some effect. So I will click on this. This is my voice. I will click on it.
Yes.
I can rename this thing. Let me name my voice. Let me name it voice. You see here, this is effect. This FX.
Excuse me,
yes.
Before you go to the next Sunday.
Okay.
Does that mean that you can able to name all the sounds here?
Exactly. You can name it. So this one, let's say my voice. Okay.
Okay.
This one, let's name it. Give it a name. What name do you want us to give to it?
I don't know. Just give it anything.
So just give it any name that comes to your mind.
Okay. Just put track 2. Track 2.
Track 2. Okay. Okay. Track 2 is there already.
Okay. Sorry. I just put track 2.
Okay. So that is track 2. Track 2 is there. Or let's put this one intro sound. Okay.
Intro. Okay. Then let this one be track 1, 2.
So intro sound. So we have intro sound. Let this is track 3, right? Let's put it music.
Outro. No. Outro.
Good. Okay. Outro. That's good. So let's say
outro. This one intro. This one outro.
Outro. Okay. That's okay. So we have voice, we have intro sound, and we have outro.
Outro.
Yes. So now I want to add effect to my voice. Okay, let me increase the volume a bit, then add effect to it. All right. Hello, my name is Lucky Etameta. So I'm going to come to this place. This way you see FX.
FX, yes.
Yes, I will click on it.
Okay.
Okay. You see that I've clicked on it. So, okay. So I'll say I'm going to add effect to my voice to make it sound different from what it is now. So you can see here, right? You see this FX.
Yes.
So I'll click on it. Let's click on one. So you can see here, you see different, this is what we call filter and EQ. EQ simply means equalizer.
Equalizer.
Right? Yes, equalizer, filter and equalizer. We'll call it EQ. EQ is the
Yeah.
short form for equalizer.
Mm.
So everything I see here, there are different kinds of
Sound.
EQs, equalizer.
Okay.
So we have the FFT filter, we have graphic equalizer, but I want to use this. All perform the same function. It's just your preference. You can decide to use this. You can use this, but I just want to use this for this because of this stream. So I'll click on it. So you can see this is the current voice. I'll be your tutor for this class. Let me use another EQ just for demonstration purpose. So you can see this place now. It's the same thing. It's the same as that first one. Okay.
Okay.
Well, you are at liberty to choose anyone. So, but let's go to the demonstration that I wanted to show you.
Okay.
So click on it. Now, just watch this place here. This small off on you're seeing. Can you see it?
Yes.
This is the equalizer is on. If I on it and off it, just look at the sound. You see the difference. Okay. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that.
Wow.
I'm going to off the music, the background, the intro, so that we can hear the voice clearly.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Tameta. Now, as I begin to adjust this dot you are seeing, they affect as I begin to adjust, they just listen to what is happening to my voice. Okay. Your tutor for this class. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that. Can you notice any change?
Yeah, there is change.
All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Tameta. I'll be your tutor for this class. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that. Good. All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Tameta. I'll be your tutor for this class. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that. So you can see we have added.
The sound has changed.
Yes, we have changed the sound. Okay. All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Tameta. This is the original one. I'll be your tutor for this class. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. So let me ask you, which of the voice do you like most? Is it the first one or the second one?
No. The second one you adjust.
It's better, right?
It makes sense.
So, yes, that's what you do. What we just done now is that we have added effect to improve the quality of the sound. So when you get audio, maybe probably you're working on a music track or a church jingle or an advert. All right. So it's important you add this effect to improve the quality of the audio. So lastly, before we round up this class, we are going to, as you can see now, all of these things, they are separate. We want to make it one single file. Yes. So that when we are playing it, it will not be playing separately. So how do we do that? We are going to what we call export. We are going to export them. Now, when you are exporting, take note that these things, this solo, they must be on. If they are not on, it means this one, if I turn off this one now, if I turn it off, if I export, this one is not going to play.
Okay.
Yes, you should take note of that if you are doing multi-track. So I'm going to click.
You must turn all the solos on.
Exactly, you must turn all the solos on. For example, if I turn off this mute, this one is not going to play.
Okay.
Yes. So I'll turn it off. So I'll turn all the solos on. All right. Now you come to file. Come back to this file. You click on it. And mind the way you work your project is important to save it. But because this is a tutorial, I'm not going to save mine. You save it in case of NEPA issue or your battery issues. Okay. Always save your project.
Okay.
So I'm going to export. Okay. You come to this place where you have export.
Yeah.
So you come here, you see multi-track mix down. Multi-track
Mix down.
mix down.
Mix
Yes,
down.
exactly. It will bring up another menu which is entire. It's asking if you want to export the entire project. You know, in
That's
this
the whole work we did.
exactly you want to export the whole work we did. That is track one, which is the voice, the intro, and the outro. So you
Yes.
click on this. You click on it. Here it will bring up a dialog box. Okay. What is asking you here is to do a setup.
Okay.
This place is asking you for the file name. What do you want to name it as? That is what it's asking you. So we'll just leave it as audio recording and edit class. Okay.
Okay.
Location is asking you where do you want to save the project to. You know, yesterday I said this is very important because if you don't know where you save the project to, you begin to look for it later after you save it to your computer, which is not very nice. So you must know.
Be searching for it.
Exactly. So you must know where you are saving your project to. Very important. Okay. So my project, this project, I'm saving it to my project on my desktop. But if you want to save it on that place, just come to browse. So this browse will take you to your system and select anywhere you want to save the project to.
Okay.
So here is this format. Here you see MP3 audio. If we export this, it's going to come out in MP3 form.
Okay.
But let's assume this project, I want to send it to another sound engineer to help me master it more. I'm not going to send it as MP3. I'm going to send it as a waveform. Waveform helps you to, keep the quality of the sound.
For onward edition from another engineer.
Yes, exactly. For other engineer to work on it. It's good to send it to them as a waveform so that the audio file will retain its original quality.
Okay.
Yes. So, but for this project, I'm not sending it to anyone. So I'm just going to leave it as MP3, which is the popular wave audio format, right? So all of these templates, they are just cool. You leave these templates like this. Then you click on this OK. You click on this OK.
All right.
So we've just exported the file. It has been saved. Okay. Now, if you come to this place,
like this.
yes, it has been saved. How do you know it has been saved? If you look at it, let me show you.
Okay,
can you see my map?
Yes, I can see it. The first one, right?
This first one you're seeing.
Yes.
Yeah? Is this project we worked on. Okay. This second one you are seeing is the one we've exported.
Okay.
So I'm going to click on it now. You will see it.
Okay.
Can you see it now? So I'm going to play it now. You see. All right. Hello. My name is Lucky Etameta. I'll be your tutor for this class. So it's going to be an exciting learning experience. I promise you that.
Wow. Right.
So,
very nice.
This now, yes. So this is, you have just concluded your project. You've done your audio recording. You've also done your editing. You've done your multi-track mixing, and then you added effect to your audio. And the last you did was to export it as MP3 file. So you can have this and send it to anybody you want to send it to. Okay. So I think that would be all for our class. If you have a question, just quickly, if you have any question you want to ask.
The lecture is well understood, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.